Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Infiniti QX80, a full-size luxury SUV that's been completely reimagined from the ground up. This isn't just a facelift or a tech update. Infiniti has transformed the QX80 into a modern powerhouse of luxury, performance, and presence. If you're in the market for a large, upscale SUV that stands out in both design and substance, the new QX80 demands your attention. Right from the first glance, the QX80 commands the road with a bold and confident design. Infiniti's evolved design language is on full display here, with clean lines, a strong front grille, and distinctive lighting that gives it a futuristic yet timeless look. The proportions are spot on, wide, tall, and purposeful. The front LED lights are slim and aggressive, while the rear tail light stretches across the back, giving the SUV a distinctive signature, especially at night. This vehicle doesn't try to blend in, it makes a statement. Step inside and you'll find one of the most luxurious and high-tech cabins Infiniti has ever offered. The interior has been completely redesigned with premium materials like quilted leather, open-pore wood, and satin-finished metal. You're greeted by a massive 24-inch curved display that stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system. Beneath that, there's another touchscreen for climate control, seat settings, and other key functions, making the whole layout feel ultra-modern and intuitive. The QX80 offers both 7 and 8 passenger seating configurations, depending on whether you choose captain's chairs or a bench in the second row. And comfort is the name of the game. The seats are plush, supportive, and now come with available massage functions in the front. In the rear, passengers get luxury treatment too, with available rear seat entertainment, heated and ventilated seats, and an upgraded climate control system that ensures everyone stays comfortable no matter the weather outside. Under the hood, the 2025 QX80 has dropped its old V8 in favor of a more efficient and powerful twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine. This new powertrain delivers 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. The result is a smoother, quicker SUV with better fuel economy and lower emissions. It still has the muscle to tow up to 8,500 pounds, making it just as capable for weekend getaways as it is for daily driving. On the road, the QX80 feels refined and confident. Thanks to its new adaptive suspension and available air springs, the ride is buttery smooth, even over rough pavement. Steering is nicely weighted and precise for a vehicle of this size, and the new platform gives it better composure through corners. Noise insulation has been dramatically improved, and Infiniti has added active noise cancellation, so the cabin stays whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Technology is a major highlight. Along with the beautiful display system, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an upgraded 24-speaker Clips reference audio system, and a head-up display. The QX80 also comes packed with advanced driver assistance features, including ProPilot Assist 2.1, Infiniti's semi-autonomous driving system that helps with highway driving, lane changes, and even hands-free cruising on certain roads. Infiniti clearly set out to make the 2025 QX80 not just a competitive SUV, but a leader in its class. It's more luxurious, more powerful, and far more modern than any QX80 before it. Whether you're a longtime fan of Infiniti or shopping the luxury SUV segment for the first time, this is one you'll want to experience for yourself. Thanks for watching and be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd take the QX80 over rivals like the Escalade or the Grand Wagoneer. See you in the next video.